Louisville like you from the South. Your nigga always tripping, don't let you leave that.
Hey, dude.
I just took the wheel off my front brake bike and I borrowed that. So we just. But, I mean, it sounds like.
Yo, what's up?
Hey, so things aren't going too well right now.
Oh shit. Okay, so you didn't get in like a car crash. You just wrecked into
Not
your.
a car crash. We were
You just
going
crashed
like
each
2 miles.
other's cars. All right, I'll see you soon. Don't wreck any more cars. So now we don't know if the boys are riding because they crashed their cars into each other. So while those mongoloids are dealing with them running into each other's car at the car shop, they're all butthurt and they don't want to ride. So we don't really know where else to go. They told us to go to this ledge. It's like 2 feet off the ground, but hey, we're gonna warm up till they're till the little pity party's over. And then I just broke my phone too. We're gonna warm up here. I got the switch bar. He's trying to truck off of it. I as well kind of want to truck off of it. Oh shit. In case you missed it, we did announce that $50 Amazon gift card giveaway winner on my dad's channel. That went up today. You're probably not seeing this for a couple days. So if you haven't seen that yet and you don't know if you won and you entered, go to my dad's channel, check out if you won or not. I just want to thank you guys again so much for all the merch sales. I don't know why it's been popping off so much, but it is. Summer is officially here. The summer collection is here. Make sure you grab your hat. These are my favorite things to ride in. These Boss shorts, they come in 3 different colors. I just locked my car. Hands down my favorite thing to ride in. And they also work as swim trunks too because they're super light, they're super thin, and they're not super long and weird, you know, they're the shorter, trendy style. So make sure you hit the link in the description, go check that out. Also, now that I'm done promoting my dad till he gets to 1,000, we have another giveaway. Make sure you go check out my podcast because I've been dropping a lot of stuff on the podcast lately and it's good shit, so check it out. Aside from subscribing to the podcast and checking out the merch, you don't gotta buy it, just check it out, see if you like it. Put it on your wish list or whatever. Boys have still not called us back. If you couldn't tell what happened over the phone call, apparently Mason was driving, slammed on his brakes, Garrett was behind him, and Garrett didn't slam on his brakes. So Garrett rear-ended Mason. And now they're all super butthurt and not riding. So we're trying to get them to ride. That's why we're here by ourselves. So I also picked up some Chad Curley pedals. I wanted the BSD Safaris because, you know, Full Factory is the hookup. Thank you guys again for that. And Full Factory now supports BSD. I wanted the Safaris. Couldn't get them in the at the bike shop because they're sold out in the colors I liked. So I got the Chad Curleys and they are so good. I love them. Usually I don't promote anybody but Sunday Odyssey, G Sport, BSD. But today, Cinema, shout out to you. You make a great pedal. And shout out to Chad Curley. I think we're clip-wise, we're still riding, but clip-wise, we're about wrapped up. Ah! I don't, oh no, it didn't get it. Throw it, actually, okay. I was just saying that we're wrapped up with clips, but we gotta get him doing this. Hold on. Got the clip, as you can tell.
It's hard and fuck.
Boys showed up. The collision's not even bad, dog. Look at that. That's not bad at all.
Do you want to show my? Did you film my front wheel?
Yeah, you know what's even funnier? Like 4 hours earlier, he fucking just destroyed his front wheel too.
Look at this.
Oh man. Dude, ever since, like, there's 16 spokes I've ever broken. Gone.
Oh my god, dude. Send that to me. I'm gonna plug it in.
Shout out to Kyle at Reds BMX. Let me use his front wheel, the homie.
Woohoo! Oh, it's gonna be so sick. He can't nose manual. Oh!
What's up, guys? How you doing? Why don't you guys come here for a second? Yes, sir. How old are you guys? 18. 18? You guys graduate high school?
Actually, we graduated
Us
today.
too, cool, come here. You guys read that sign?
Yes.
Customers only. Yeah? Are you guys customers?
No.
Oh, but you guys aren't customers and you're just ordering in the yard, right? Okay, so you guys mind heading out?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, guys. Have a good day, guys. What are you guys filming?
YouTube. Had about 59 seconds of footage left and I couldn't have used it any better. I cased it, but guess who doesn't give a shit? Me. What the hell? What the fuck? Yeah. This is whenever I got locked in on that. Oh my god.
Big fucking stonks.
Big ass stonks, dude. Yes. Nah, redo it.
Hey, Gary, I'm out.
You're leaving?
Yeah. Later, vlog. Can I say bye to the vlog?
Yeah.
Bye, vlog.
Well, vlog says bye.
Bye.
Vlog also says bye merch. I'm not gonna get that nose manual right now, and when I do, it's gonna be through the project. So just know, curved nose manual, hopefully a bar, will be in the edit.
Yeah, buddy, that way to shut.